Malchesky. Both Judge Cannon and Judge Rice are unable to be here as they had two other invites prior to getting this invite here tonight. Very few of you probably had any interaction with the Court of Appeals. The 11th District Court of Appeals covers 5 counties: Lake, Geauga, Ashtabula, Portage, and Trumbull. It's a reviewing court. Most of you have a lot of interaction with your local municipal courts, traffic tickets, small claims cases. Out in Geauga County, you have Judge Topeka, or your common pleas court, your probate courts, which is Judge Fury, Judge Byrd, Judge Grindell. The 11th District Court of Appeals is where those cases that are heard in those local courts are reviewed, and very often, almost always, those are only are argued in front of that Court of Appeals by your lawyers. And so one of the things that we would ask you to do on behalf of both Judge Cannon and Judge Rice is to talk to your local attorneys that you see on a daily basis on what they think of the Court of Appeals as it stands here. Both Judge Cannon and Judge Rice have been endorsed by the plain dealer. There was a preference poll in Trumbull County. Judge Rice received an 85%, Judge Cannon received an 84%. Those are preference polls by lawyers, by the Bar Association. In Lake County, Judge Rice received a 96%, and Judge Cannon was the first judge to ever receive a 100% rating by the Lake County Bar Association. Those are the individuals that talk to, speak, and argue, and have their cases heard, your cases heard, through their attorneys in those Court of Appeals. And I think that means a lot of what's going on. The only thing I could probably relate is that if you recall the recent high school incident, that matter went to the Court of Appeals eventually after the sentencing, and again was reviewed by the Court of Appeals. And so that's just as an illustration of kind of how you see and how the interaction of your local courts react to the Court of Appeals. Both of these individuals, Judge Cannon has been on the bench for 8 years. Judge Rice has been on the bench for 12 years. They have sat as visiting judges for the Ohio Supreme Court. They have judicial experience. They've been doing an excellent job by not only the ratings of lawyers, but by the plain dealers' ratings, by the fact that they were appointed to serve in the Supreme Court, and that we ask for your vote again on November 4th for both Judge Cannon and both Judge Rice. Any questions, you can challenge both of their websites. They do have them, Cannon for Judge, Rice for Judge. Thank you.